Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer Volumizer Hot Air Brush Black. And it is so easy to grab the back sections of my hair, especially curly and tangly, without straining my arms in awkward positions. If you don't like the way your hair looks after a 75 blowout, you probably shouldn't buy this amazing tool. It has decent power, and again it gets very hot, almost too hot, but it would take too much time on very wet hair. The only two improvements would be another temp control setting for high air but medium heat. It heats up a lot, and a textured grip at the end to make it easier to grasp with your fingers. It is currently smooth and a bit slippery, and in less than 15 minutes my thick curly permed hair was straight in style, and there's no hair gymnastics going on here. It gets super hot, which is great for drying, but you have to be aware of this when drying your hair. The controls are in a twist ring near the bottom of the handle, so you won't ever accidentally switch to another setting during styling. My advice is to air dry your hair to almost 75-80 dry and then go in and finish it with this styler. For instance, unless you want to spend 30 or more minutes drying small sections, your hair should be mostly air dried. My hair ended up being soft, shiny, and the best part was the volume around the front of my scalp, as this gets the flattest the quickest. This tool is powerful, and the high setting does a quick and excellent job of drying and straightening the dampest hair strands. To explain, it worked great for the front of my head, but the back wouldn't dry with this, as the hair power wasn't enough. If you have thinner hair and hair that doesn't hold water after washing it, then this might be great for you. My hair is unconditioned and a little dry from chemicals, so don't hold the slightly frizzy look of my hair against the dryer. After talking with my stylist and wanting the blowout look that seems only a salon can provide, she recommended this one product. You don't have to know what you are doing to get the full-bodied look of a blowout, and it does cut down some time on blow drying depending on how damp your hair is. You can even do this one-handed. Finally, you'll have an extra hand to do the things you love, like bake bread and take up smoking. There's a learning curve when first trying this dryer, and takes time to figure out how to get the core of your hair in the back. There isn't a lot of airflow to dry, which makes me wonder if the heated plate is actually doing the drying. The item is a bit awkward in size and shape, but makes up for that in its ability to dry and manage my hair, making it look absolutely amazing after. My hair was mostly dry already by the time it got here, but finished the job and styled my hair in about 10 minutes. This magical device achieved that same result in 20 minutes, and it's great for layered hair, gives you that salon-like blow dry. You can hold it upright and blow it dry from underneath, meaning you don't have to have your arms all the way above your head the entire time. But this thing dries it faster than a blow dryer and makes it smooth and shiny, which nothing else in the world has been able to do. Blow drying is a chore, and it leaves my hair dried out and frizzy, requiring me to flat iron or curl it afterwards. My results were similar to flipping my head upside down, drying like crazy and fixing the mess with a flat iron. It only took maybe a minute or two longer to dry my hair than my normal blow dryer, but the styling was great. If you are like me and are hair appliance challenged, or don't have 60 minutes in your day to make sure your hair looks good, this might be your answer. The noise level is about the same, but it does have a low and a high setting for blowing hot air. This thing gets a little too hot if you have it on max for a while, but that's the only bad thing about it. My hair is smoother and softer and more sculpted with this than it has ever been with me blow drying and straightening my hair. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.